another video. Today's video, we're going to be installing performance mods or a performance mod to one of my particular vehicles. Vehicle, you ask?
Vehicle, the 03 M45.
If you're a fan of this platform, then you know that they do not make a lot of performance mods for this vehicle. A lot of stuff is custom. Today I got a box project. It was inside the box.
We got the Jim Wolf pop charger for the Y34. So this filter goes in replacement of your factory airbox, and it has hardware, so you unbolt it right there, then it bolts back up right here. Simple installation. Filter is gonna have less restriction than the factory airbox. There's also a cover that's supposed to go right here into the factory airbox. I've been took that off. It serves no purpose in my opinion. And yeah, it's supposed to be more beneficial. So you might get a little bit of horsepower, but also mileage as well.
Without further ado, let's get to installing.
I believe the socket for this is going to be a 10. So it's a 10 right here. Let's see if it's a 10 right here. It's a 10 right here as well. So take the 4 screws out and put this and place it out. Well, I dropped the bolt. This one is spinning with it. That's crazy. Now I gotta try to find a way to stop that from spinning. Bro, what? Oops. Earbuds out. Got it out, so now I can probably hold this and take the other piece off. How are you not coming up? Bro, what? Okay, so I'm mad that it had to come to this, but that vice grips. Like that. I got it. Yes, sir. Shout out to Vice Grips. So I don't have to worry about the old screws because it comes with hardware. I took one of the screws out already. And yeah, I'm gonna take this out so I can get this piece out. And we're gonna install it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. This is your adapter plate right here, and obviously you got your filter. You're going to connect the adapter plate to this housing. That's it. Pretty simple. It's designed for M45, so all the holes are in correct position. Just install the bolts. So the bolts come with lock washers. They're 10s. I would honestly just snug them. I would not tighten them too tight since this housing is plastic. Tighten too tight, you have risk of cracking the housing or breaking this part right here, which is already broken on mine. So only snug the bolts. Yeah. There you have it. You got your general pop filter or short ram intake. Really a hot ram intake, but yeah, it'll do the job. Same way we took it off, the same way we install it. So all I'm really gonna do is take this, put it in the pipe, tighten the 8, and there you have it. Very simple to do this mod. Very simple. Fit like a glove. Don't forget to plug back in the mouth. Dang it, now I gotta turn it. Like that. Let's turn this down one more time. And like that, it is complete. Look at all that room that I got right there. It's a lot of room. Shout out to Jim Wolf pop filter. On this cool sticker. I don't know where to put it yet, but I think I got an idea. Alright, so get y'all a little cold start. But what? Sounds normal to me. The car warm up and then I'm gonna take it for a drive. See if I notice any difference. Alright, so here's what it sounds like from inside the car. So I can hear what it sounds like. So I'm gonna get all the sound of it under the engine bay. Sounds and performs really good to me. I'll see y'all in the next video.